To go for a recap of what you have learnt so far, just click on any of the buttons on the screen. Cyber attackers works untiringly to take advantages of the weaknesses of the network. To attack the network, they create new malicious programs which are intently designed to disrupt the normal functioning of the internet. Spam mails are emails which are created by various agencies and sent to a large number of users. Among the spam mails, a huge part is created by well-planned frauds to try and trap unaware users into their network. Their only motive is to cheat or steal your personal data and information. On the internet, there are users who used to misuse the network to cheat or steal from other people information which might come in handy to them to make an extra profit. This is social engineering. These intruders exploit the network by engineering such programs which traps unsuspected users into sharing personal information with them. After getting this information, they use it to manipulate the person. Phishing emails are emails which attempt to get sensitive information such as usernames, passwords, and credit card details, which itself lead to pilferage of money from your account. Veiling is applied to phishing emails, which targets the senior executives of an organization who are in control of many subordinates. Spear phishing is another form of phishing email in which emails are sent to a small number of users, but bigger effort is put into making the emails look like it has come from a very authentic site, which is responsible for the organization. They may even profess to ascertain themselves as members of such a well-recognized organization, which can take you into assurance that you are secure with your personal information shared to them. Baiting is a method by which a hacker promises an item or a good to tempt an individual or an organization. He or she may offer users free music or movie downloads, but ask you to first surrender your login details on a certain site. These details are often misused later on. Pretexting is a form of operation which is used by various individuals in dubious social engineering to create a very presentable scenario of their motives to earn the confidence of unsuspectful users of the internet. Malicious codes or malware threats are designed to gain authorized access to a computer system which may be your own.